folks, it's me again. What am I doing? Making more videos. Okay. What kind of video is this? This one's, I'm taking stuff out of the bag. If you watch my other video, whenever I posted it, they'll probably be, these videos will probably be months apart because I post tool videos every Tuesday and some other stuff, and if I have too many, I'll just post it. I'm doing videos on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and possibly Monday and Tuesday. That leaves me Wednesday. Okay, maybe Friday, Saturday. So anyway, this is cool. This is another one of those things. Is this a modification from hell or what? Let's ponder this one. This is the camera. A vice grip. A Peterson DeWitt vice grip. What is it? I think it's a giant nose plug, if you ask me. Look at that thing. It's got some the end has definitely been welded, ground down, did something. I don't know if they were using it for chopsticks. I don't know. But it's got a little guide here. I don't know if this was made by Peterson itself or what, but I thought it was cool to add to the infinite collection of weird vice grips. Not too bad for, I don't know, $10, because I'm guessing this thing is made for bending something, possibly. Like, I don't know, making something round, put some Play-Doh in the middle, maybe crack some, maybe the mob can use this for getting some information out of you. There's a gap in here, so it's definitely, I don't know, bend flat bar, maybe jewelry, I don't know. I don't know what the hell this is for. But I thought it was a very intriguing pair of vice grips, and it's old. It's definitely, I don't know if I have any regular vice grips here. Of course, I don't have any of these kinds sitting on my bench here. Is this a vice grip? Let's check. Come on. Ow. Ow. Those are Taiwan jobs. Taiwanese jobs. Don't want no Taiwanese vice grips. There we go. What about these ones? Is that a vice grip? I don't know, I got so many vice grips here. Nope, that's not a vice grip either. Or is it? No, this is just a no-name brand. So anyway, I was going to compare it to a regular vice grip because they make all these weird applications of vice grips for, I can just scratch my finger here. See? It is just cool. I thought it was cool. There, like I said, there's welding on the front. I'll probably just grind this off here and make it flat. But somebody had a ball with this thing. I don't know, like, would you grab hot metal with it? Like, I don't know, just use it to grab some Sharpies? Like, ah, here you go. I don't know. I have no idea. If anybody on this planet has ever used this, you can use it as a puppet. Hi, I'm Johnny Vice Grip. I like to dinosaurs. I don't know. It's a long-eared dog. Anyway, enough of the noises. It's definitely the old school beefy, what is it? Still have the model number on here? Nope. Doesn't say it. It has the US patent 2 million whatever. You don't see this on many vice grips. The little patent number here. It's a little, usually it says like 10WR or something, but I think it's burned over. So anyway, short little video on a weird whopper of a vice grip. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe, join the channel. Tell all your friends, leave some comments, and tell me my head's too bald and it's blinding you. Thanks for watching. Toodles.